The big question this Friday morning: will India's new RBI governor Sanjay Malhotra deliver an interest rate cut in his first policy meeting? Well, the interest rates are kept unchanged for 2 years as the RBI is doggedly chasing a 4% inflation target. We will spy with one big eye if the new RBI governor Sanjay Malhotra shifts the focus to boosting economic growth. Interestingly, the street is anticipating a 25 basis point (BPS) rate cut, which would be the first such reduction in 5 years. The street is hoping high that RBI can deliver a 25 basis point rate cut, especially after FM Nirmala Sitharaman in the Union Budget 2025-26 emphasized on economic growth to rely more on boosting consumption in a slowing economy rather than firing the capex engine. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,033 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. Meanwhile, outflows from Indian equities are likely increase further and weigh on sentiments. This CY so far, FIIs have sold to the tune of Rs. 96,993 crores. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3550 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2722 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating bullish consolidation day on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.17 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand at 87.60. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 1.07 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.95. Nifty outlook: Nifty's bullish resilience will be tested. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23603. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,477 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,771 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23450 and 23800. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 50382. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 49,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,900 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,800 and 50,800. Bias for the day is positive. Need to know. In yesterday's trade, the benchmarks Nifty and Sensex drifted lower despite positive catalysts like 1. Positive global cues. 2. A sharp decline in long-dated US Treasury yields to 4.428%. 3. The US dollar has dropped significantly to under 107.50 levels. 4. Tumbling WTI oil prices below $71.50 a barrel. 5. The street suspects Trump is using tariff threats as negotiating tools. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. Life Insurance Corporation, LIC, Mandem, Majgaon Dock, NHPC, All India, Alkem Lab, Cholamandalam Financial, Sun TV. Hero MotoCorp reported above estimate numbers with a 12% rise in net profit at 1,203 crore rupees for the quarter ending 31st December 2024. SBI fell 1.55% in yesterday's trade despite its net profit jumping 84.3% YoY to 16,891.44 crore rupees, NII up at 41,446 crore rupees.